What if your tea party felt like stepping into a storybook moment? What if the moment guests arrived, they were welcomed into a world of delicate details, soft colors, gentle florals, and cozy charm? A tea party isn't just about tea. It's about atmosphere. It's about elegance. It's about slowing down and savoring the moment. Imagine pastel tones, floral table settings, tiered trays filled with treats, vintage teacups catching soft light, and every detail working together to create a calm, beautiful escape from the everyday. Today, we're creating tea party decorations that feel timeless, charming, and unforgettable. Decor that turns a simple gathering into a beautiful experience.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why are decorations so important for a tea party? Tea party decorations set the emotional tone of the gathering. They create an atmosphere of calm, elegance, and connection. Unlike louder celebrations, a tea party is about comfort, conversation, and beauty in the details. Decorations help guests feel relaxed, welcomed, and transported into a gentle, intentional space. When the decor is thoughtfully chosen, it encourages guests to slow down, sip, talk, and enjoy the moment. It transforms tea time into an experience that feels special and meaningful. If you love creating cozy and elegant gatherings, tap like and keep the inspiration flowing. What color palettes work best for tea party decor? Tea party colors should feel soft, inviting, and harmonious. Pastel shades like blush, mint, lavender, and soft blue create a delicate, airy atmosphere. Neutral tones like cream, ivory, and beige add warmth and timeless elegance. Floral patterns bring life and gentle charm to the space. Gold or brass accents add just the right touch of sophistication. The key is balance, colors that soothe rather than overwhelm. When the palette flows naturally, the entire setting feels peaceful and beautifully curated. Subscribe for more elegant party color theme inspiration. How do tea party decorations bring people together? Tea party decor creates an environment that encourages connection. It invites guests to slow down, relax, and enjoy each other's company. The gentle colors, soft textures, and thoughtful details make people feel comfortable and welcomed. They create space for conversation, laughter, and shared moments. When the decor feels warm and intentional, the tea party becomes more than an event, it becomes a memory. Subscribe now for more elegant gathering and party decor inspiration. How can tiered trays and displays elevate tea party decor? Tiered trays are a tea party classic. They add height, structure, and elegance to the table. Filled with pastries, finger sandwiches, and sweets, they become both functional and decorative. Arranging items by color and size creates visual harmony. Adding florals or decorative accents between treats enhances the display. Tiered trays create focal points that draw guests in and make the table feel abundant and inviting. Check the description for tiered trays featured in this tea party setup. How can tea party decor reflect different themes? Tea parties can be styled in many beautiful ways. A garden tea party feels fresh with greenery and florals. A vintage tea party embraces lace, china, and soft pastels. A modern tea party uses clean lines and minimal decor. A themed tea party tells a story through color, pattern, and accessories. When decor matches the theme, the tea party feels cohesive and memorable. Check the description for themed tea party decor inspiration. How can teacups and tableware become part of the decor? At a tea party, the tableware is decoration. Every cup, saucer, and plate adds character and charm. Mismatched teacups create a whimsical, collected look. Floral china adds romance and nostalgia. Gold-rimmed cups bring elegance and sparkle. Displaying teacups on tiered trays or open shelves enhances the visual beauty of the space. Each piece tells a story, making the table feel personal and thoughtfully styled. Save this video to your playlist for tea party table styling inspiration. How can table linens set the foundation for a tea party? Table linens are the heart of a tea party table. They create the base for every decorative detail. A lace or embroidered tablecloth instantly adds vintage charm. Soft linen runners bring texture and warmth. Layered fabrics add depth while maintaining elegance. The gentle flow of fabric softens the table and creates a welcoming atmosphere. When the linens feel light and graceful, the entire tea party feels elevated and intentional. Check the description for the table linen styles featured in this tea party setup. How can small decorative details add charm to a tea party? Small details are where tea party magic truly lives. They create delight and surprise. Place cards, napkin rings, or ribbon accents add elegance. Vintage books or trays add depth and character. Soft scents like floral or citrus enhance the sensory experience. These thoughtful touches show care and creativity, making the tea party feel truly special. Save this video to your playlist for tea party detail ideas. How can lighting create the perfect tea party ambiance? Lighting sets the mood for a tea party. It should feel soft, warm, and welcoming. Natural light is ideal, creating an airy and peaceful atmosphere. Candles and delicate holders add warmth and elegance. String lights bring a magical touch for evening tea gatherings. The right lighting makes the space feel cozy and intimate, perfect for relaxed conversation and enjoyment. Comment whether you prefer daytime or evening tea party lighting. And that is how you create a beautiful tea party, calm, charming, and filled with thoughtful details. This is decor that invites connection. Decor that celebrates elegance. Decor that turns tea time into something truly special. Let your table bloom with florals. Let your teacups tell stories. Let every sip be enjoyed in a space filled with beauty and warmth. Because the best tea parties aren't rushed, they're remembered.